Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Shurif Islam, Department of Tripoli, Batch 241, Laboratory 131, Section C. My presentation topic: nodal analysis. Nodal analysis is systemized application to current analysis. Nodal analysis is a powerful technique for analysis complex electrical circuit by identifying and understanding two relationships between nodal and voltage engineering and efficiency solve for current and voltage throughout current. Understanding nodal analysis and nodal voltage. Identify nodes. Nodes are the connection point in a current where two or more compound meets. Determine nodal voltage. The nodal voltage is the voltage difference between a node and the reference ground nodes. Understand relationship. Nodal voltage are the key to understanding the behavior of the indirect current. Formation of nodal equation. Kirchhoff current law. The sum all current flowing into a nodal must equal sum of all current flowing out of the node. Nodal equation. Those equations are based on Kirchhoff law and can be used to solve for the unknown nodal voltage. Solving nodal equation. Assemble the nodal admittance matrix. The nodal admittance matrix compares the relation between nodal voltage and base current. Apply boundary conditions. Compares any non-voltage source or current source into the nodal equation. Solve the matrix equation. Use matrix inversion or other numerical modes to solve for the unknown nodal voltage. Application and practical consideration. Current diagram. Nodal analysis is essential for diagnostics and operating complex electrical circuit. Fault analysis. Nodal analysis can help identify and transport issues in extracting current. Solution and modeling. Nodal analysis from the basics for current solution tools and numerical models. Equational application. Understanding nodal analysis is a current skill for electrical engineering student. Thank you everyone.